Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys a cheap means by which you can get Ethereum Mainnet. So currently, for you to send Ethereum Mainnet using centralized exchange like Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, BitGet, they will charge you almost 2 point something dollars worth of ETH for you to send Ethereum mainnet from any centralized exchange. Well, I'm going to show you guys how you can use Relay Bridge to bridge using Ethereum layer 2 to ETH mainnet. So as we time on making this video, using this means is very cheap. So they are going to charge you a little gas fee compared to when you are sending Ethereum mainnet from centralized exchange to your EVM wallet. Maybe those of you that want to claim a project token, or those of you that want to interact using mainnet. So first of all, what you just need to do is to visit your centralized exchange and buy Ethereum. So now you select the network Arbitron or Base, but I prefer you use Arbitron because in this video I'm going to show you how you can bridge ETH under the Arbitron chain to Ethereum mainnet. So the best thing to do is to select the network Arbitron, then you copy your EVM wallet and paste it in your centralized wallet, then you send it to your AVN wallet, be it MetaMask, Rabi wallet, any wallet you are using. So I already have some ETH on. So alright, so this is it. I already have some ETH. So let's connect our wallet now to our AVN wallet. So I'm using Rabi wallet because it's fast and not buggy compared to MetaMask. So I already have a little amount of Ethereum on the Arbitron network. Now what you all need to do is to swap the ETH that is under the Arbitron chain to the Ethereum mainnet. So this is the network, this is the amount I have. So I'll be able to swap 0.00669 for the purpose of this video. So this is what I'm going to get in return. They're going to remove their charges and the rest. So they are going to charge me $0.01 worth of ETH for this transaction. You see, it's very cheap. And again, the wallet you are using also, they are going to charge. So let's see. All right, so using Rabi wallets, they are going to charge me 0.001 ETH on the Arbitron chain to swap to this. So now let me click sign. Now click confirm. You can see using this method is very cheap compared to when you send from centralized exchange to your EVM wallet, because they are going to charge you $2, $3, $2.5 what. But if you use Relay Bridge, buy ETH on your centralized exchange and send it to your EVM wallet using the Arbitron network. Arbitron network is fast. Using the Arbitron network, as you can see on the screen, buy your ETH, select Arbitron network, then you send it to your EVM wallet, then you follow this process. You can see relay fee your order on Ethereum. So we are still waiting for it to process. All right guys, so the transaction was successful. So they have successfully added the ETH from me. So let me confirm this in my wallet. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, the transaction was successful. So they have swapped the 0.0006 ETH to my EVN wallet. So this is how you can get Ethereum cheaply using Relay Bridge. So Relay Bridge is mostly a project I've been talking about. I've made video on how you can swap Blast ETH, Base ETH, and now I'm making video on how to use Arbitron ETH. This is what you need to do to get Ethereum in a cheap way compared to when you are sending it from a centralized exchange to your EVN wallet or to any wallet. So you can use this method, get mainnet, then maybe send it to someone, or you can use it to do what you want to do. Alright guys, so I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.